video, I'm making creamy cheese chicken wing. First, we're going to do in cooking pan. I add little bit oil, onion, garlic, and add the chicken wing. Add a little bit oil and let it to cook until 30 minutes until the chicken wing is tender. So I add 1 glass creamy cheese sauce and then let it to boil and add the broccoli. It's boiled already. Add pepper powder and of course the tea, salt and pepper to make extra taste. If you have extra chili, so add a chili. So this is for my family dinner for today, guys. Promise it's so yummy. So let's start. Let's eat. Paki-subscribe, paki-like. Thank you.